What's up guys, welcome to Chomping Champion. मैं हूँ आपका दोस्त अनूप कामत. Right now we have come to Palika Bazaar. We have driven all the way from Noida and we are going to try out some food in Palika Bazaar. One of my friends has recommended this place. He has been telling me like, why don't you go to Palika Bazaar and try this chicken korma. So more about the shop after we reach the shop. So in front of me is Palika Bazaar and you can see this tricolor right behind me. This is in Rajiv Chowk. It's a fantastic afternoon. The place is buzzing. There are people who are selling various items including food. Just have a look and we'll quickly enter Palika Bazaar. So there's plenty of food in front of us and it's so fragrant and I can't resist but to start eating. But let me quickly explain what's in front of us. So we have the mutton korma. They have given us a single piece with a thick gravy. That is their signature gravy. And we have chicken korma which they are known for. Again, the thick gravy. We have palak paneer. We have a mutton masala. We have roti and we have the rumali roti. So plenty of stuff in front of us. So straight away let's start digging in. What do you say, Abhishek?
Yeah, I've tried the chicken korma before, but now
Why don't you try?
so many new things today, so I'm a little excited and hungry. So I think we should just dig in without wasting further
I'm
time.
going to start from the palak paneer. The paneer is so soft and you can't differentiate between the paneer and the gravy, the palak. The tastes are kind of amalgamated or integrated together and it tastes so good. There are some juliennes of ginger on top of this. So let's taste this with the roti. The roti is slightly thick, almost like a khamiri.
This is in fact a khamiri, I think.
Yeah. So let's taste this. Just see the bite. I just tasted the palak paneer so that we could go out from here with the flavors of this non-vegetarian dishes gravy, or the fragrance. But this is so good. I can keep on eating this and finish this. But quickly, let's go into which one? The mutton next?
I think we should try
The mutton korma. This is just the gravy of the mutton korma. I wanted to taste the gravy first. The gravy has got all the flavors, all the goodness of this dish. The gravy is so rich. I just can't explain it in words. All the masalas, all the spices, the taste of the onions and the rogan right on top of this is just one. You take a bite with all this, it is mind-blowing, fantastic.
The best thing I liked about the mutton is that the flavor is so subtle. It's not overly spicy, but I can get a good balance of flavors. It's a bit on the sweeter side and a bit of the khada masalas, the flavor you get. I think it's just perfect. This is probably the best korma I've had.
Actually, I'm letting Abhishek speak about the food because I don't want to discontinue eating. I just want to keep on tasting, take bite by bite, and taste everything as soon as possible.
I think we should dig into the chicken.
Yeah. Why don't you try this first?
Yeah.
This is the best dish you'll have.
Oh yeah.
शोरूम की चाय बना दे फटाफट बोले
The chicken korma. Oh boy. Normally, if you ask meat eaters, they will say they prefer mutton over chicken. But this is an exception. The chicken korma, I think it's a tad better than mutton. You really cannot say one is better than the other. But I have never eaten a chicken which is so well cooked and marinated. And this is done in this rich, super tasty gravy. The chicken korma. Three dishes we tried: the palak paneer, the mutton korma, and the chicken korma. So we have mutton masala now. There is biryani and many other dishes, but we are actually coming after almost a lunch, so we can't taste all the dishes. Maybe we'll do that in another episode, but now we'll taste the mutton masala.
Why don't you try it with Rumali?
Yeah.
Because we have Rumali roti as well.
Again, I'm going to try the masala first. I'm a great gravy fan. Coriander, ginger julienne, and probably a little bit of onion on top. Distinctly different from the mutton korma. The tastes are very different, but it is tad spicier. I think I can feel the spices sitting at the back of my throat.
Significantly different from the korma gravy.
Yeah.
It looked a bit similar, but I think the gravy is quite different. There's also not at all spicy. I think the
You
gravy
think
is
it's not spicy?
not much spicy.
Maybe
Not
I
the
bit
chili
a,
part. I'm
maybe
talking
I,
about the chili
yeah.
part.
Maybe I bit a piece of green chili. I think green chili
Probably.
is there.
Yeah. But it's
Like-
onion gravy. I think predominantly onion gravy.
Let's take one more
Yeah.
bite. I think anywhere in CP or nearby, I don't think you will get this quality chicken korma and mutton korma. Actually, in whole of Delhi, since this is in Palika Bazaar, right in the heart of Delhi, I'll say get a metro, come in car, bus, whatever, taste these dishes and you won't forget the taste of this. You will keep on coming here and tasting it for lifelong. This is amazing food. So after tasting all this chicken and mutton dishes and palak paneer, he has sent some biryani rice for us to taste. Just see the texture of the biryani rice. Perfectly cooked biryani. This is dum biryani. You can see the grains of rice, they're separate and it's quite fragrant. Again, you can see a little bit of coriander, ginger, lot many things happening in this biryani. So let's taste the biryani rice. It is very clean tasting, not very spicy, but as I expected, I can't get the flavors of lot of spices, so it's quite mild. But I like this version of the biryani. I'm going to taste this biryani rice with some korma. So let's put the korma gravy on top of this rice. This is good. The korma really enhances the taste of this rice. takes it to another level.
बैठने की जगह भी है, बैठ के खा सकते हो।
Absolutely divine.
So I'll also first try it just like that and then with the korma. It's quite different from the old Delhi style of biryani.
Yeah, it's actually different from Old Delhi style of biryani. Also different from Hyderabadi, Lucknowi. I think this qualifies as the true Delhi biryani. I mean, this is what.
I'm glad this is made from basmati rice,
Basmati
not
rice.
the Sela rice.
Yeah, and also it is not very oily. It's fairly clean, not very spicy, but you got to try it with the korma, the gravy.
Oh yes.
There is some raita also along with the biryani. You can see how the raita looks like. But I think a combination of the gravy and this raita along with this biryani rice will be absolutely stunning.
I think I'll take a bit of onion as well.
Absolutely.
Pure heaven.
Yeah. So this is how it works. You take a spoonful of biryani, you add little bit of the korma gravy or the masala gravy and little bit of this raita, top it with lacha, onions and take a bitefull or take a mouthful of this biryani. Unforgettable experience. We finished the meal in half an hour, but that was an outstanding meal. We tried the dishes, mutton korma, mutton masala, chicken korma, little bit of that biryani rice and palak paneer. With the roti, we also had tawa roti and the rumali roti. But the chicken korma, unforgettable. The texture of the gravy, the taste of the gravy and the chicken, there are no words to describe it. You got to come here and taste this food. I'll give the name of the shop, the address and the location right in the description below. I hope you have liked this video with lots of food. If you're not subscribed to my channel, do it right now and click on the bell button. Also check us out on social media. Bye till the next episode with more food and more adventure.